Afternoon, Adrian here with CKR Solar, installing the modular solar commercial battery, 40 kW battery system, 15 kW discharge and charge rate. This is used for backup and peak grid shaving, demand grid shaving. So this is the L3 HV for high voltage, 40 for the 4 kW storage. Each modular is about 100 pounds, and it's, I think it's a 5.1 kW. We'll just say 5 kW because we have 8 of them here, and these 8 will make the 40 kW storage. And then here we have the battery BMS. This is the brains of the system. It will combine, all the batteries will communicate to here, all the power wires will combine into this, and this will give us our benefits of the battery to the inverter. What's nice about this, it's stackable. It's an indoor battery. They do make it outdoor. They also come with a 60, so that'd be a taller tower. It'll have 4 more modules. If you have 2 of these, you can get 30 kW from the inverter. Right now this is only going to do 15 because we only have 1 stacked, but that's all the customer needs to fill in the demand for his peak demand charge. So he'll be able to offset his usage and from the utility company while his demand charge is high. So a return on investment should be pretty good, and hopefully he can start seeing the benefits of this right away. I really look forward to seeing how this works and can't wait to turn it on.